Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, which means we are outside of Meijer. Meijer has a great new sales ad. There's tons of different opportunities and ways to save this week. We have a new PG spend deal. We have some spend deals on food. There's a couple different spend deals on diaper. We're not going to go over those. They're just not the best, but they're there if you do need to save on diapers and wipes. But there is that subscribe button down below if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of my channel. Let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So I'm going to briefly mention this. I'm not really going to go over it very much in detail, but Dove Tresemme and Nexus Hair Care are on promotion for buy two, get one free. We do have a few coupons, and there's a couple different fetch offers depending on what you're grabbing. So this is a great opportunity to grab some stuff that we usually don't get many coupons for, or you can get it cheaper here. Great deal on this native desert grass and sandalwood. It is the 2.65 ounce native deodorant, clearance for $7.49. Also, we have these they're new to me because I just saw these at Walgreens last week, I think. But these newer secret deodorants are on clearance. Also, the stick forms of them are on clearance as well. Look for these spring hair accessories. They're all on clearance for $3.89. We have an amazing deal on these Always Radiant Flex Foam. This is the 13 count. This is the size 2. $5.59 for this box. We have a $1 digital coupon. You'll pay $4.59 at the register. You'll submit to ibotta for $3, making it just $1.59. We have a decent deal on a specific brand of baby toys. I'm going to pop up the coupon on the screen. I don't know where to find this, but it's $8 off, and the cheapest item looks to be like $14. Either my store has it, or it's one of those coupons that just don't load any items that attach to it in the app. So I'm not sure where to find it. It says baby department or baby section, but like can't find it. But I think it's a really good deal if it's something that you need. We have really good savings on this KitchenAid stand mixer. It's $3.99. I know that's a lot, but we have a $100 digital coupon, making it just $2.99. Y'all, I've wanted this for a while. Do I need it? No. Will I use it as much as I would think I'm going to use it? Absolutely not. So that's why I haven't gotten it. You can grab this Ninja Creamy for $2.49, or you can grab the Ninja Slushy that's on sale for $2.59. We have a $75 digital coupon, making this $184, or the Ninja Creamy $174. There's tons of different nail sets that are 75% off. Y'all, I really like this one. I think I love blue, and I think these are so pretty. But I have massive hands. Like, these would never fit me, which is so sad. Y'all, look what I found. I'm so excited. My cats love Blue Buffalo, but it's just so dang expensive. 50% off. I'm definitely grabbing this. We have decent savings on these new Purina 1 Plus immune support purees. These are like squeegees, like that's what I call them to my cats. Anyway, they're $3.49. We have a 75-cent digital coupon. You'll pay $2.74 at the register. Submit to ibotta for 75 cents, making it $1.99 for the 4 count. I also found a few of the Complete Nutrition Meijer brand cat food. I'm assuming this is like the Meow Mix. There's some for quite a few percentages off. This one literally expires in less than a week, but this is perfect for the outside cats and like possum I feed. So I'm gonna grab this. And before you come for me for like feeding icky food to the outside critters, like at least I'm feeding them and they have something to eat. Y'all, look. Peely Alert, this $5 save now was found on this Tidy Cat Performance Tidy Feet low tracking one. It does expire 11/30, so there's plenty of time to use it. Definitely check your store for this. I personally don't use Tidy Cats. My oldest cat that is picky about litter does not like Tidy Cat, so we don't use it. So this week we did get a new spend $25, get $5 off on PG household products. Now, the coupons are okay. The deal is valid until 6/16, I believe. I think that's what it is. So today till 6/16. So we have like 2 or 3 more weeks to get better coupons. So you don't have to do it this week. I'm gonna wait to see what kind of coupons we get the next couple weeks, because I am in need of Tide, and most of the coupons are for like gain kind of things, which, or like the scent beads, which is stuff I don't need. So this is not a week for me, but it might be a week for you. Tons of different Swiffer products are on sale for $9.99 with a $2 digital coupon. It makes them $7.99. I feel like this is a really good stock up price for Swiffer products. And if you plan on doing the PG Spend deal this week, these Swiffer products, the couple I scanned, are part of that promotion as well. If you're okay with Meijer brand paper products, they have an offer for spend $15, get $3 off instantly. The 12 count of the Pop-Tart boxes are buy one get one free this week, so mix and match your favorite flavors. We have really good savings on General Mill products. So in the ad, it says that it's valid on all General Mills products. So it's spend $15, get $5 off, and it is valid this week and all of next week. So this week, the coupons and like fetch rewards and all of those isn't the best. So either grab your items this week or wait till next week, and hopefully we have better offers. Stock up on Old El Paso products. They are buy two, get one free. Mix and match between your favorite items. Stock up for taco nights. We also have this Carb Advantage nacho cheese one on clearance for $3.14. This took me a hot minute to find because it looks kind of like the regular mac and cheese cups, but we're gonna grab this lactose free 4-pack of the Kraft mac and cheese for $6.99. There's an offer on Social Nature making this completely free. The next freebie I'm gonna grab it has been on Social Nature forever. I just haven't grabbed it because it makes me a little nervous. It's on this Wild Planet. I don't know what skipjack is. But it's tuna. I'm going to grab the no salt added. You could grab the regular or the no salt added. I don't really know the difference. I don't usually eat this kind of tuna plain. It's really mix it in with something. So having no salt added shouldn't matter. But with Social Nature, it is $3.79. And with Social Nature, it'll be completely free. Check your store for a couple different soup clearance finds. So we have this Campbell's Chunky Chicken Chowder. It's $1.81, or these spicy tomato Campbell's microwavable soups, $1.60. Or we have this chunky spicy burrito, the chicken burrito for $1.88. Check your store for these Boa Bab superfruit bites. They're $3.49 on clearance. Or we have these solely organic fruit gummies on clearance for $3.35. This week we have easy savings on soda, like literally all 12 packs are buy two get one free. You can mix between brands with this deal: Coke, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, you name it. These sparkling ice plus caffeines are 4 for $5, and with a $1 digital coupon, make them $1 per can. These Brew Pub Latza Matza pizzas are $7.99. With a $1 digital coupon, making them $6.99. Check your store for these White Castle jalapeno cheese sliders. They're on clearance for $11.89 for this 8 count. So these cute little trays, or the bags of the little potato co, these are so cute. They are buy one get one free. Most of them are like $3.99 for the bag, so it looks like the trays are $4.49. If you get this specific Homestyle Ranch one, there's a $1 digital coupon that works for this one. If this one does not work for you, that is still a really good deal. Dole salad kits are on promotion, 2 for $6 this week, and we have a $1 digital coupon, making them 2 for $5. The last deal can be found up in your checkout area. You're going to look for the Good Warrior beef steak. It's $2.99. Take your receipts and fetch. We have 1,000 fetch points per dollar spent, making this almost free. All right, we're back in from checkout, and sneak peek, y'all. I cannot wait till I start doing my rummage sale stockpile video next week, because I got a drama-packed story for you guys. It involves my aunt, of course. Quick brief hint about it. I took off vacation because I have to do some work on my house, and she lied about not working to get out of my helping me. That's the tea time. But there's gonna be a lot more details next week, or like in 2 weeks when I post a video. Whenever I post a video, I'll have more details. But like, she was blowing up my phone while I was in store trying to talk to me, and I just don't want to right now. Anyway, so I grabbed just a few things. So I grabbed the Always pads. I grabbed the I can't see, the Good Warrior meat stick. I've never heard of that brand. I grabbed the wild tuna, the mac and cheese, and then the 2 clearance cat foods. So that's everything. So it brings my subtotal to, well, here, I didn't show that very well. Here's the 2 clearance cat foods. I'm excited about the Blue Buffalo one. So it brings my total to about $31.40 before taxes. I submit to ibotta for $3 for the pads. I submitted to Fetch Rewards. I got I already forgot. $3.11 basically. I got some points for the Blue Buffalo cat food, which is super nice. And then I submitted to Social Nature for the mac and cheese, which I'm excited to try. I'm lactose intolerant, but not that lactose intolerant that I can't have like cheese that much. Like ice cream, definitely have to stay at home for that one if I'm gonna eat that. But I'm excited to try that. And then the tuna. So in total, from all rebate apps, I got $16.89 back. So it makes my haul roughly $14.50, which is perfect, because like that's basically the cat food almost. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.